In order to export video with burnt-in subtitles, go to File, Export, select Video File, and click Next. Start by choosing an export location. You can view a thumbnail preview of what your export will look like using the Preview panel on the right. Simply click the camera icon to generate a preview of the selected event. You can customize the look of your subtitles by opening the Subtitle Styles options. Update the font size, font family, spacing, border style, and more. The thumbnail preview can be really helpful if a client wants a sample of what the final video may look like. This can be faster than sending a screener copy. Click Export when you're ready.